In this tutorial, we are building a journey to get Slack notifications when a contact is added in HubSpot. For this, select HubSpot as trigger. Choose a new contact created as a trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on the link account to establish the connection. Then choose Value Only as Property Mode, which will give us values of transaction. Next, in steps, we have to send a message to Slack with contact information. Select Slack. Choose Send a Message to a Channel as action. Now, select an existing connection and click on the link account to establish the connection. Choose an appropriate channel to which we want to send a message with details. Then, add a message using the HubSpot data tree. As we are sending messages via bot, select Yes. We are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check our output, go to HubSpot and create a contact. Add contact details and click on Create Contact. Once created, go back to our journey to check journey execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now, visit Slack. We can see a new message is received with contact information. This way, we can build an automation journey to get Slack notifications when a contact is added in HubSpot. I hope you like this tutorial. To know more and to get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.